गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर 5 का ओरल क्वेश्चंस। Why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? To either separate the unrequired components from a mixture or to separate more than one useful component from a mixture. What are immiscible liquids? Give two examples. Two or more liquids incapable of being mixed to form a homogeneous mixture substance are called immiscible liquids. Example: oil and water are immiscible liquids. What is meant by filtrate? A liquid that can be passed through a filter is called filtrate. What is meant by residue? Substance is left after the main part of something is used is called residue. Science quiz. Name the method which is used to obtain a solid substance that is dissolved in a liquid. Evaporation. How do we get water from a salt solution? Water can be separated from salt solution by simple distillation. This method works because water has a much lower boiling point than salt. When the solution is heated, then water evaporates. It is then cooled and condensed into a separate container. Give the name of the chemical substance which is used for quick settling down of fine particles of impurities. Alum. Name two heterogeneous mixture: sand and sawdust, mixture and water and oil. Very short answer questions. Which method is used to separate grains from stalk? Threshing. Give an example from our daily life where the process of sedimentation and decantation are used. Mixture of sand and water can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Name any two processes used to separate soluble components from a mixture: evaporation and centrifugation. Name the method by which we can separate seeds and pulp from the fruit juice. Filtration. What is meant by condensation? The process of changing vapor into its liquid state on cooling is called condensation. What are the two types of mixture? Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Short answer question. Why is water called the universal solvent? Define solubility. How can it be increased in water? Answer: water can dissolve many substances, so it is termed as universal solvent. The extent to which a substance gets dissolved in a liquid is called its solubility. Solubility of a solid solute generally increases with the rise in temperature. Define the terms sedimentation, decantation. Sedimentation: insoluble substances that are heavier than liquid can be settled down in the bottom. This process is called sedimentation. The process of pouring out a clear liquid from a vessel without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Can water dissolve any amount of substance? Explain. No, water cannot dissolve any substance in any amount. Different substances dissolve to different extent in water. What is loading? The process of increasing the rate of sedimentation in a suspension by adding some chemicals to it is called loading. What is the difference between filtrate and residue? Residue is whatever remains after something else has been removed, while filtrate is the liquid or solution that has passed through a filter and which has been separated from the filtrate. ये 6 नंबर में एक पैराग्राफ की तरह आप इसको रीड करें, उससे रिलेटेड दो क्वेश्चन है. विच मेथड दे would have used to separate things? First they use sieving to separate rice flour from the mixture. Then they use hand picking method to separate gram seeds from arhar dal. What value do you learn from Soni's brother? Soni's brother helps mother in her kitchen work.